Hey guys, welcome to this first official episode of my YouTube channel. My name is Van. I am a makeup artist, a photographer, and the founder of Artist Kit Company based in New York City. To sum it up, I make products that allow makeup artists to condense and downsize their makeup kit. I don't like long intros, so for today's episode, I'm gonna give you 5 things you can do now as a beginner that can shave off 50% of the current weight of your kit, allows you to work faster, more efficiently on your job. For your liquid foundation, loose powders, and skincare, you can depot them into these squeezable bottles. These are 20 mils, which I think it's the perfect size for any type of makeup artist. By doing this, you can have everything more uniform in size and shape. That way, when you're doing makeup, you don't have to scramble through your kit looking for a specific item. Now, the way I actually use these is if something is thicker in consistency, I would use a spatula and scoop them out. If something is more watery or loose powders, you can just simply pour it onto a palette and use it that way. Number 2, for your setting sprays, toners, or hand sanitizers, you can depot them into these spray bottles. These are also 20 mils. You can get about 200 sprays each time you fill them. Now, I went through so many different types of spray bottles over the past 2 years and finally found one where the mist is very fine and it doesn't shoot out droplets. I probably don't recommend these for brush cleansers because over time, say 6 months to a year, it can slowly damage the spray system, causing it to clog. I did test them for 3 months with brush cleanser and they were fine, but do it at your own risk. Number 3, your lipsticks, concealers, cream blushes, and bronzers, depot them into smaller pans and put them inside palettes. There's not a lot of reason why anyone should carry the full-size products because at no point you should be dipping your brush directly into a cream products. These are palette 1.0. There are 2 pan sizes, the medium and the small. You can also mix and match and set it up the way that you like. For products that you use a lot, go with the medium pans. Something that you don't grab as often or highly pigmented, you can use the small pans. Now, if you feel like they are too small for you, if you are a bridal artist, you do a lot of faces at once, you can put your bronzers and blushes in the large pans inside the palette 2.0. I don't recommend depotting your lipstick in the large pans. It's just too big and there's no reason why you would need that much lipsticks. Number 4, your cream shadows, liners, pigments, or glitter, depot them into these stackable jars. These are all hand assembled by me in New York City because it requires a special technique to bond them together. They're not just sample jars that you can buy online because those cracks, and these are very, very durable. For me, cream shadows, I usually put 2 colors in 1 jars. That way I can carry 10 products in this tiny stack. Number 5, these are dividers. No matter if you choose to depot your products or not, they help you organize your products by rows. And you can keep stacking them and create a system that works for you so it's much more organized when you are doing makeup. So those are 5 things you can do now if you are a beginner to condensing that can help you remove 50% of the weight of your current kit and keeping everything more organized. So when you work, you can work faster and more efficiently. Now, there are so many different options of products on the market now choose one that works with your budget, but make sure that you plan ahead before you start buying stuff. For more content, you can follow the Instagram page. Please leave a comment below if you find this helpful and let me know what you want to see next. I really want to create longer format content with this channel so I can share my knowledge and my experiences with you, and hopefully it can help you with your own kit. Thank you for watching. I'm really going to try